Hello everyone, so today I'm going to start the map and filter function. So let's see what is the map and filter function here. So what is the purpose of map function in Python? Map function is very important function. So map function executes a specified function for each atom in an iterable, for each atom in an list, tuple, or some sets, dictionaries. So this atom is sent to that function as a parameter. So syntax of map function is the function that you created and the iterable that you want to filter or you want to map. So let's see one example of it. As suppose we have a list of that numbers and we want the cube of that every number. I am creating one function here and return the values. So let's see one example. So I am taking one list here. So first we clear the map function. Now I want I want I want to find the square of each element. I want to find the square of each element. So I'm creating one function here that is square of that elements, suppose n. Now return what? Square of the element. Okay. So now I'm creating one object for that is my list. My list here, and now I want to map that function square and pass the iterable. Now print my list. I want that function in the type of list. I want to convert that function in the list. So here we get the result, square of all elements. Okay, square of that all elements present here. Now next is the what is the purpose of filter function in Python? Filter function returns an iterator where the items are filtered through a function to test that item is accepted or not. So what it said, the iterator, where the iterator item is filtered through a function. We have created one function here. We want to create one function here, and I want to filter that atom of the iterator through this function. So syntax of filter here, filter, we want to pass that created function and pass the iterable where we want to filter the elements. I want to filter this list. I want the elements is less than x. So let's see one example here. Okay, so I'm creating another function def. I want the element less than 5. Okay, so question is that find the element less than 5. Now def one function here, and I'm taking one element. So return what it return the elements, what elements is less than 5. Okay, so now my list 1 equals to list. I want to create a list, so I take it list, filter that function comma iterable, okay. Now print that my list of 1, and here we get the result, elements less than 4. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.